बहुत ही iconic film भी की, DDLJ.
जी.
How was it? Any memorable experience that you still recall?
I mean,
remember
the fact
working
that I
with?
started with a song,
Yeah.
and I was horrified. I mean, I don't come from a family that knows choreography from any angle.
Yeah.
So we start by shooting mehndi laga ke rakhna, and I'm like, 1 minute. And I remember Saroj Khan telling me, you know something, you are shaking your shoulders like Sunny Deol. You need to shake your hips. Women shake their hips, men shake their shoulders. So I was like, okay, this is not a good start. And I have very little grace in me. I can lift weights and I can, run miles, but I don't have बोलते हैं ना अदाएं,
Yes.
वो अदाएं मुझ में बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So it was a little horrifying for me.
Yeah.
4 days where I'm asked to do things I've never done before, move parts of my body which I've never moved before. So let me tell you, it wasn't fun. And I was like, what have I got myself into? As Shanti, I was still, I was giving the strong, strong, hard looks, looking serious,
Yeah.
But as Preeti from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, I was made to do many things I've never done before. So,
And then of course happened cricket
yes.
for you. How did that actually happen? Because nobody would have thought of a female anchor at that point of time.
20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yes, it was 2003
You
World
clearly
Cup,
a
21
trendsetter.
actually. मेरी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ जो हुआ है ना,
Hmm.
it's been about being at the right place at the right time. 2002 में
Hmm.
India beat England to make it to the semi-finals of this tournament called the Champions Trophy. और शांति मेरा शो श्रीलंका में बहुत पॉपुलर था, तो ये टूर्नामेंट श्रीलंका में चल रहा था. सेमीफाइनल्स तक इंडिया पहुंच गई है, तो मैंने कहा कि मैं जाके वहाँ क्रिकेट देखूंगी. आई लव्ड क्रिकेट.
Yeah.
तो मैंने अपना टिकट खरीद के मैं वहाँ पहुँच गई, और जहाँ जहाँ क्रिकेट का माहौल था वहाँ मैं थी. स्टेडियम हो या क्रिकेटर्स का होटल हो या जो भी, सोनी के लोगों ने मुझे वहाँ पे देखा, पूछा कि आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो. तो मैंने कहा मैं क्रिकेट देखने आई हूँ. तो मैंने कहा अपने पैसों से, because at that time they were flying down celebrities to watch the cricket, and I had bought my own ticket and I had come to watch the cricket. So they just had me at the back of their mind as somebody who likes the game of cricket. तो 2003 वर्ल्ड कप के लिए जब वो एक एंकर ढूंढ रहे थे, तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे ही बुलाया. जब मैं बैठी मीटिंग के लिए, 10 लोग कमरे में आए और क्रिकेट के क्वेश्चंस पूछने लगे मुझसे.
हाँ.
तो मैंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है. And then they said at the end of it, would you be interested in hosting the Cricket World Cup? And I'm like, would I be interested? Yes, yes. But it wasn't as easy as that. There were 3 auditions, and I think about 1,000 other women that auditioned for this gig, and that's how cricket happened.
Wow.
So, but I had not hosted anything before this,
Yeah.
and I think it was just because I was seen there as someone who likes the game of cricket. And that's why they thought of even inviting me for a meeting or inviting me to audition,
Right.
because I had never hosted anything